Hello, today I will be showing you how to log into your Google Classroom. First, you will want to make sure that you are logged out of all Google accounts on your browser. To make sure you are logged out of all Google accounts, you can click up on the top right of your Chrome browser and select Sign Out to ensure that when your child logs in there won't be any other Google accounts active. Or you can create an incognito window by holding Shift plus Command plus pressing the End key. Now to get to Google Classroom, you're going to go to the URL bar and type in classroomgoogle.com. Here you will go over to the Sign In drop-down box and select Google Classroom. It will then prompt you to sign in, and here you or your child will enter their 10-digit ID number followed by @myemae.k12.hi.us. Then for your child's password, you will be entering their birthday, which should be 8 digits long. If you have logged in correctly, you should be successfully in your child's Google Classroom account and be able to join and see the classrooms your child was invited to.